So, imagine this. A powerful earthquake rocks Morocco's breathtaking Atlas Mountains, leaving towns in dire need of help. But hold on tight, because there's a twist to this story. Reports are pouring in that French associations and NGOs are all geared up to provide emergency relief to those affected areas. They are just waiting for the Moroccan government's green signal to swoop in and make a difference. These towns have faced immense devastation, with a heartbreaking death toll of 2,497 people and a staggering 2,476 individuals injured. These figures were released by Morocco's Interior Ministry on September 11, 2023. It's a situation that calls for immediate action. Now, here's where things get interesting. Brace yourselves because you won't believe this. Despite the urgent need for aid, the Moroccan government has apparently turned down a helping hand from none other than France. That's right. France, with all its good intentions, offered an aid package, ready to jump into action. But guess what? Morocco never sent the official request that France was eagerly awaiting. It's like missing a golden opportunity. But hey, don't lose hope just yet. The French government isn't one to sit back and do nothing. On September 11, 2023, they pledged a hopping €5 million to support those brave organizations already on the ground in Morocco. Talk about determination and commitment. Now, here's where the plot thickens. While other countries like Spain, the United Kingdom, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates got their offers of support officially accepted by Morocco, the French offers were met with silence. Not even a peep. French President Emmanuel Macron even took the extra step of writing a personal letter to Morocco's King Mohammed VI, but still no reply. When questioned about this puzzling situation, French Foreign Minister Catherine Colonna played it cool. She dismissed the inquiries, saying it wasn't the time for debates. She emphasized that Morocco has the right to determine its own needs and clarified that they haven't outright refused any support. They simply want assistance based on the situation at hand. Fair enough, but it's still quite a head-scratcher. Now let's dive into some background drama. It turns out that relations between Rabat and Paris have been on rocky ground for a while now. Remember the whole spying scandal. France accused Morocco of using this fancy Israeli software called Pegasus to spy on their officials. Morocco denied it, but the tension was palpable. And that's not all. France also slapped visa restrictions on Moroccan nationals and cut admissions in half because Morocco refused to take back its citizens in irregular situations in France. Talk about rift. To add fuel to the fire, France has been cozying up to Morocco's neighbor, Algeria. And guess what? That's caused even more tension. There's this long-standing territorial dispute over the Western Sahara between Morocco and Algeria. France's decision to take a more neutral stance in the dispute has left Morocco feeling betrayed. It's like a friendship gone sour. Now let's put on our detective hats and explore some other possibilities. Maybe Morocco's reluctance to accept French aid is due to their aversion to foreign interference from aid organizations on the ground. They want to handle things their own way, you know. But regardless of the reasons, Morocco's rejection of French aid following the earthquake is a significant blow, especially considering France's diminishing influence in Africa. It seems like France has been facing a series of rejections on the continent, and Morocco's decision adds to that trend. Well, there you have it, an unexpected twist in the tale of aid and international relations. As always, don't forget to hit the like button so that we can keep bringing you the most intriguing stories from around the globe. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to keep spreading the love and positivity from the New Tourist. See you in the next video.